Hello children, this is Anubha ma'am. Welcome back to the last part of my previous video. This is part 4 of my video, chapter 1, Tissue. If you have not seen part 1 to 3 of the video, please do take a look at it first. Skeleton tissue. Skeleton tissue. This type of tissue is much stronger than the connective tissue proper. There are two types of skeleton tissue. First one is cartilage and second one is bone. Cartilage. Cartilage is present in the joints of the bone and serve as a cushioning between bones. The ear, nose, trachea and larynx also have cartilage. Bone. Bone is the hardest connective tissue. It contains three types of cells: osteoblast, osteocytes, and osteoclast. Osteoblasts produce a protein mixture that hardens to form the bone matrix. Osteoblasts eventually get trapped within the matrix and become osteocytes. Osteoclasts are present near the outer layer of the bone and help to break down damaged bone tissue. Now the next one is vascular tissue. Vascular tissue is a fluid connective tissue and its types are blood and lymph. Blood. The cell of this tissue lies suspended in a matrix called plasma. As you have already known, blood have three types of cells: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Lymph. The straw-colored watery fluid is called lymph. It can reach any part of our body, protects us from disease, and carries nutrients for all over the body. Muscular tissue. This tissue forms muscles which not only help us to move our body parts but also help us to breathe, digest food, get rid of waste and so on. There are three types of muscular tissue: voluntary, involuntary, and cardiac. Voluntary muscles. The muscle which we can move that we call voluntary muscle. For example, to walk, to jump, and to grasp things are called voluntary muscle. When voluntary muscle contract, they move the bones attached to them. They are present in all parts of the body that we can move voluntarily. Involuntary muscles are also known as white muscle or smooth muscle. These muscles are controlled by automatically nervous system. Involuntary muscle include all the muscle whose activity is independent and not affected by voluntary nerves activity. Cardiac muscles. These are specialized involuntary muscle present in the heart. Cardiac muscle contract and relax continuously throughout our lifetime to help the heart pump blood day and night. The last part of animal tissue is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is composed of a specialized cell called neuron. Which transmit messages from all parts of the body to the brain. The brain, the spinal cord, and nerves together form nervous system. We will study about nervous system in another chapter. So here this chapter ends. I hope that you were able to understand all the concepts which I have been taught. I have given some assignment work to do. Hope with the help of video and learning material which I have attached with this video, you can solve it. Thank you.